U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services issued a new policy memo today, directing officers to send applicants abroad to complete the process through the State Department. News 8's Esmeralda Perez has more on this new policy.
I'm in Barrio Logan at a vigil dedicated to community members who have been impacted by immigration enforcement actions. Meanwhile, an immigration policy could change how some green card cases are handled, including whether some applicants may have to complete the process in the countries they once fled. The new policy applies to people seeking a green card through what's called the adjustment of status, a process that allows applicants to stay in the U.S. while their case is reviewed. Under the memo, officers have discretion to redirect those applicants to complete the process abroad through their home country's U.S. consulate.
It's discretionary, right? So that's up to the officer reviewing it. Discretion is one of the hardest things to appeal because it's subjective. So now you're leaving up to these officers to make these decisions based on discretion. You're just adding more gray areas to immigration.
Immigration attorney Samantha Seri says until now, people who overstayed a visa could still apply for a green card from inside the U.S. Under this policy, that may no longer be an option for some.
Now they want to change it that for most of those people, they're going to have to go back to their country and go through consular processing, which is going to be a disaster because those consular processing cases already have backlogs of years to even get an interview.
The change could have wider impacts. The series says this includes potentially more pressure on immigration courts. Families could be separated for long periods of time, and employers may hesitate to hire or sponsor workers who could be sent abroad.
You're going to have people who are working here in the United States, even legally right now, but because they would be out of status while their green card's pending, they're going to have to go back. You're going to have people that are married may have to go back. You're going to have students, other workers, investors. It's insane.
USCIS spokesman Zach Collar said in a statement in part, quote, while we work to operationalize this, people who present applications that provide an economic benefit or otherwise are in the national interest will likely be able to continue on their current path, while others may be asked to apply abroad depending on individualized circumstances. At sundown, faith leaders and community members gathered in unity with prayer and testimony from families of detained San Diegans. I spoke with people here about the constant changes in immigration policies and what this latest update could mean for families in the community.
This is a horrible change that will drastically cause a lot of harm to a lot of families that are waiting to adjust their status.
There are a lot of complications when it comes to this requirement of the government to leave the country. It's not so simple. A lot of folks have fled their home countries, so it would put them in danger to go back and continue their process there.
And for families here tonight, this isn't just a policy memo, it's their lives. We'll continue to follow this and its impact here in San Diego. From Barrio Logan, I'm Esmeralda Perez, News 8.